Malaysia is home to some of the most beautiful and diverse natural landscapes in the world. From our lush rainforests to the vibrant coral reefs, our country is rich in wildlife and breathtaking scenery. But did you know that you, as a primary school student, can play a big role in protecting our environment? Yes, you. Let's explore how we can become guardians of green.
First, let's talk about recycling. By sorting out the trash into recyclable materials like paper, plastic, and glass, you can help reduce the waste that ends up in our landfills. And here's a big one. Remember, batteries and electronics need special recycling. They contain harmful material, so you must find a drop-off point in your community. Don't just throw them in the trash. Also, you can encourage your family and friends to recycle too. Every little bit helps keep our environment clean and green.
Next, reducing waste is just as important. Instead of using single-use plastic bottles or bags, try using reusable ones. It's a small change that can have a huge impact on our planet. Think about bringing a reusable bottle to school every day. Easy, right? Also, say no to plastic straws. Use a metal or bamboo straw instead. It's another simple switch that makes a big difference.
Have you heard about community clean-up event? These are fantastic opportunities to work together with your friends and family to clean up local parks, beaches, and rivers. By picking up litter, you help keep our environment clean and safe for all living creatures. Imagine spending a day outdoors having fun and a big difference. At the same time, it's a great way to show how much you care about the environment. Remember, every piece of litter you picked up helps protect wildlife. And our natural species is beautiful. So, get involved and invite others to join you.
Let's remember to conserve water and energy at home. Turn off the tap while brushing your teeth and don't let the water run unnecessarily. Simple, right? Next, switch off the light when you leave a room. This saves electricity and helps reduce the environmental impact. You can also unplug chargers and devices when they're not in use. These small actions make big differences. By saving water and energy, we help protect valuable resources and keep our environment clean and green.
Learning about our local wildlife and plants can inspire you, yes, you, to protect it. You can also go to the local zoos and parks to learn more about our fascinating, amazing wildlife. You can also watch documentaries like this and read books about our unique ecosystem. You can also discover a lot, like, for example, the animals and plants that we make to call our country home. The more you know, the more you'll care. By discovering more about our wildlife, you can take action and protect it.
Together, we can make a big difference.
By being mindful of our action and encourage others to do the same, we can all be gardens of green.
Let's work together to keep Malaysia's nature vibrant and thriving for generations to come.
So, what will you do to protect our environment? Remember, every small step counts.
Let's start now and make our beautiful Malaysia green.